The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Blue Earth County in south-central Minnesota, northeastern Watonwan County in south-central Minnesota, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Midland, or 21 miles south of New Ulm, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lake Crystal, Midland, Good Thunder, Vernon Center, Louisville, Garden City, and Grogan. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Watonwan, Minnesota. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Blue Earth County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Good Thunder, or 11 miles southwest of Mankato, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mankato, Lake Crystal, St. Clair, Good Thunder, Pemberton, and Garden City. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Blue Earth, Minnesota. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County in southwestern Minnesota until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bergen, or 7 miles north of Jackson in Jackson County, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bergen around 3:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Jackson, Minnesota.